Hey guys, big changes may soon happen to our roads, seas and skies. Driverless cars, air taxis and passenger boats capable of transporting people at speeds of 600 miles per hour or more are bound to make travel faster and safer in the years ahead. These future transportation trends can change the way we communicate and travel. With the new innovation comes lots of debate on how technology will impact us and the world around us. There are also tons of safety concerns, regulatory decisions, and ethical questions that will need to be addressed as the new transportation methods take over. Here are 5 out of the future transportation changes to look out for. Hyperloop. Transportation visionary Elon Musk is developing a technology known as Hyperloop. According to him, it's capable of transporting passengers and freight up to speeds of up to 760 miles per hour that would accelerate gradually. The technology would move a group of people or goods in a vehicle through a pressurized track that would accelerate gradually. This vision hopes to replace bullet trains and airplanes. He envisions cutting the travel time from Los Angeles to San Francisco to 35 minutes. Autonomous cars, trucks and ships. Driverless cars are already in test pilot on our roads, with companies like Tesla, Audi, Uber and Volkswagen already making headlines for the cutting-edge technology. Autonomous vehicles hope to remove human error from the transportation equation. Distracted driving is the lead cause of deaths on the road, and human mistakes cause between 75% to 96% of maritime accidents. As autonomous cars, trucks, and ships take over our roads and seas, there will likely be a big impact on the trucking and freight industry. Questions over how autonomous vehicles will impact the job market remain. Air taxis. More than 20 companies are already in a race to get safe and cost-effective aerial rides in the sky. The small aircraft transportation system will hope to cut city-to-city travel time by operating out of small local airports. The technology still needs to overcome high production costs and regulation challenges from the FAA and other international aviation organizations. Underground tunnels. Another transportation innovation coming to us from the mind of Elon Musk is an underground tunnel system to solve local traffic issues. This infrastructure system would make our roads 3D, allowing cars to pay a fee to be lowered underground and transported at high speeds on a metal trolley-like platform. The Boring Company has already prototyped the technology in LA. It is working to solve some of the big issues surrounding the technology, such as cost and infrastructure challenges. Delivery drones. Soon, your neighborhood mailman could be replaced by a flying robot. The Federal Aviation Administration recently approved UPS drone delivery for prescription medication in rural areas. This could mean that the organization is considering to implement the full-scale commercial robot delivery. Delivery drones present privacy questions and will likely increase the cost of delivery. At least in the short term, drones can also put properties and lives at risk. These safety concerns should undergo analysis before anything else. The future seems to be bright, isn't it? What are your thoughts? Make sure to subscribe to the channel to watch more of such innovative life hacks.